Love is sincerity, no sense of compulsion or impingement. Love does not look like each other, but looking out together in the same direction. Failure only happens when we give up. When someone abuses you, it is a compliment that so far they spend a lot of time thinking about you, even when you do not think about them. Needless to perfect, simply find people who always make you happy, and that means more than anyone else. Love does not look like each other, but looking out together in the same direction. Lack of partner relationships becomes something that should have been more complete. My past is mine, your past is yours, but the future is ours. Without love, intelligence is dangerous, and without intelligence, love is not enough. While the sport has been an integral enumerated by death, but true love will remain eternally stored in the recesses of the heart. Lust will only bring temporary happiness, but true and sincere love will give you true happiness. Quotes of the day.